Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a fundamental skill that we all use daily but often overlook: communication. Whether it's casual that with friends, a team meeting, at work, or debate in public, effective communication is key to building relationships and achieving success in various aspects of life. My objective today is to inform you about the key elements of effective communication and how you can improve your own communication skills. So this our body, clarity and conciseness. When communicating, it's important to be clear and concise. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone is talking but you have no idea what point they are trying to make? That's what happens when communications lacks clarity. To avoid this structure, your message logically gets straight to the point while ensuring that the essential details are included. Rambling on can dilute the message and confuse the listener. Active listening communication is two-way street. Often we focus on what we want to say and forget to listen. Active listening involves fully concentrating concentrating on what we other person is saying rather than passively hearing the message. It shows us faith that allows for being response because you are truly engaged with the conversation techniques such as nodding, asking clarifying questions, or summarizing what the speaker said can improve your listening skills. Nonverbal communication. While we often emphasize word, nonverbal cues play an equally important role. Body language, facial expressions, and even tone of voice can affect how your message is received. For instance, crossed arms might signal defensiveness, while maintaining eye contact show confidence and attentiveness. Being mindful of your nonverbal signals can make your communication more effective. For empathy and emotional intelligence, understanding the emotions and perspectives of others is crucial in communication. When you are empathic, you create a connection that makes the other person feel value. Emotional intelligence helps and managing your own emotion and responding to others' feelings appropriately. It enhances the relationship and building trust. Is our conclusion. In summary, effective communication is not just about speaking, but about how we convey our message through words, listening, body language, and empathy. But practicing clarity, active listening, being mindful of nonverbal cues, and showing empathy, you can become a more effective communicator. So let's all make an effort enhance these skills because in today's fast-paced world, good communication is more important than ever. Thank you.